everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now taking a little ride in our 1940 Mercury Coupe. Well, it was once known as a very slow automobile. We used it for grocery getting or just driving around, being turned into a sweet little hot rod we have here, featuring a very nice maroon exterior. As you do see with its round body, it does give it that really old school but mean look. Having the torque thrust chrome wheels on it with black wall tires. Definitely nice ride for this one here. As we move on to the inside, you can see it has a nice tan interior. Right away, you can see it does have automatic windows, which is the best part about this thing. The old fact that everybody used to hate window cranks up and down, up and down. Simple as pushing a button nowadays. Nice wood grain steering wheel with the working horn. We have an updated cluster, as you can see, all digitalized, moving across the dash with that beautiful maroon. Even having a later, I'd like to say 90s model Kenwood audio system. One of the things you may be thinking yourself is, where is the shifter on this car? There's not over there, it's not on the column, but fun fact, it is underneath the dash and it is an automatic. So perfect cruiser where you don't have to be in traffic shifting gear to gear, but nothing but a nice steady flow. Other than that, as we go onto the back seat there, you got the fine vinyl material back there in very good shape. Same as the front seats. Do have only lap belts, no shoulder belts, but of course back in the day you really didn't need to be that safe because people were safe drivers and knew what they were doing. But other than that, moving on to the engine bay, featuring a nice little 350 small block engine. As you do see, it does have a little modification, such as I said, AC. Does have some nice Chevy valve covers on it, and of course a lot of people always hate the fact that they end up a Chevy engine in such a Ford, Mercury, or other style car. But of course these blocks were easy to put in, easy to install, and more importantly they will last longer during the drive, unlike a 6-cylinder, 4-cylinder, or even the Ford V8. Not hating, but of course that's a lot of times what they do with these old coupes. But other than that, it does handle pretty well. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. And of course, if we can let the traffic light up a little bit, we can open her up for you, get a taste of what you're trying to buy with Skyway Classics. So now will probably be the good time. And of course, as we're moving through our shift pattern here, you can see it's nice and smooth. No hard bangs in each gear. The steering is pretty good. Of course, being power steering, updated power brakes, it's pretty much the safest vehicle you can get on the road for such an old age. But as for now, we are just going to get it turned around up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.